Microchip frequency and time division partner for the UK, Sweden and Denmark for many years, we are proud of our industry-leading spares support plan services. The recent addition of the Benelux region will lead to many more customers enjoying the excellent support Chronos offers across the telecom, financial, enterprise, defence and law enforcement sectors. Spares Support Plan is an exclusive Chronos offering, ranging from office hours telephone help desk to 24/7/365, next day hardware replacement to next day on-site technical support, all repair shipment and clearance costs for repairs. And all this supported by an extensive stock of several generations of Microchip Time and Timing hardware. Our in-house support also extends beyond timing hardware to not only Microchip's TimePictra management platform and Domain Time 2 monitoring and time management software, but also the operating systems and databases that underpin these solutions. Rooted in the frequency synchronization of digital telecom networks, SSP has continually adapted and evolved as time and timing has evolved from an external signal service to a network service delivered in-band with data. Many of our support calls, therefore, have migrated from discovering which element of the timing hardware has failed to troubleshooting network and network element configuration to ensure timing services meet our customers' expectations. And it's not just cataclysmic events where our support customers see the value of our service. Whether it's a simple module failure on a timing shelf or the GPS constellation having incorrect data uploaded to all the satellites, our support team will deal swiftly to resolve any issues. Thankfully, most of your problems won't get our support manager out of bed at 3 o'clock in the morning, supporting fraught customers with hundreds of red lights across their management platform, as there was during the GPS SVN23 event. There were no service problems for any of our customers during that event, a testament both to our service and support and the resilience of Microchip solutions.